Today I'm going to be talking about how to find the best office chair, because I know lots of you at the moment are at home struggling with your backs. Lots of people that I know are saying, oh, I've been working from home and now my back is hurting because I'm on an unsuitable chair. So if that's you, listen in. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will put the link in below if you want to do that, and you'll also get announced. You also get alerts for when I go live on my page. So here goes. How to find the most best office chair. Now, I've tried many different office chairs throughout the years, because I used to actually be working into an office, and I found this one is one of my favorites. So really you want a chair that adjusts. So you've got obviously coming up, coming down, coming back, and coming back and forward. But what I find really useful is this lumbar support. Where is it? Where's it gone? There it is. So this chair in particular has got a lumbar support that's adjusting. So I can also make this bit higher or lower. So depending on your back shape, you can make this chair higher or lower according to you. Now, if you haven't got one with a lumbar support, and in particular, this is really good for lumbar support as well. So this one has got like a pump. So I can pump it to however big I want my lumbar support to be. And then if it's too much, I can just kind of let the air out accordingly. So I can adjust it in so many ways. I can slide the chair forward and back, this part. The top bit can come up and down, forward and back. I think I've got a tilt as well, possibly on this one, but I didn't really use that. But what I find really useful is this lumbar support. I just release it until however I want it. And if you don't have a lumbar support and you're thinking, well, I've got an office chair that I pay for, you might benefit from just get like bought. You can buy, just realised my mic's all the way over here. You can buy particular lumbar supports. I've always found that they're either mostly too big, and then it overarches my back. Like I had one which you kind of slip on the back of the chair. But I have seen some that you can blow up to whatever, thickness kind of you want it, a bit like one of those neck cushions. So you can put to whatever thickness, whatever lumbar support really you have, because some of us have a more arched lower back than others. So I hope that helps. And just one more little tip as well is when you're sitting on your chair, try not to be slumped. You set reminders to see how you're getting on. I've left my mic over here again. Broke it slightly this morning. I stood on it. Try to have your bum close to the back of the chair. Keep your spine nice and lifted. Always, people hear me say, roll through the shoulders, lift through the crown of the head. And if you can, keep a slight engagement through your stomach. And you want your knees roughly at 90 degrees with your feet firmly planted on the floor. So your heel's not lifted. If you've got a higher chair and you can't adjust it, you can always place a cushion underneath your feet if your legs are too short or the chair is too long, however you want to see it. So thank you so much for watching. Type in the comments if you find this useful, and if you have a particular best chair that you like. And if you want any particular tips, do let me know any questions you wanted answering, and I will do my best to answer them for you. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the evening. Take care. Bye-bye.